Hey boys and girls, I know you might be thinking to yourself, Mr. Lots, I don't have a frisbee at my house. Now that's okay, boys and girls. You can make a frisbee with some stuff you may have laying around your house. All you're gonna need are 2 paper plates, some socks, and some tape. So what you're gonna do is you will take the socks, put them in the plate, then put the other plate on top, and then you're gonna need to secure the plates together by using your tape. Voila, I've got a frisbee. Let's go.